Hey students, Brother MacArthur here. Hey, I just wanted to take a minute and thank you. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much for taking seriously the charge to teach one another. I hope that you're enjoying the study of this course. Obviously, you'll see it's extremely reading and study heavy. And then you share one another, you share with each other and teach one another, and you're doing fantastic. You're asking great questions for your groups too. I just want this upcoming week, you're going to study about the salvation for the dead. You're going to read a great little under Revelations in Context. I'm excited for you on that with Susan Young Gates. And obviously that's one of the things that the brethren have taught much about in regards to doing our family history. And then this week, you're also going to study about applying the atonement of Jesus Christ. Sometimes we think that the atonement of Jesus Christ only applies to sinners. And of course, we're all broken. We're all sinners. But the atonement of Jesus Christ applies to, I'll use President Nelson on one end, and then the most evil person in the world on the other end. His atonement applies to every one of us. And so as you study this week, I just invite you to think about yourself, how you can apply the atonement of Jesus Christ more fully in your life. If it's a sin or something you need to get rid of, great. If it's some just strength and help and assistance in some things that he can help you with, fantastic. But I just add my witness that the atonement of Jesus Christ is there to strengthen, to help, to do so many things for every single one of us personally. Not just for your neighbor, not just for someone you might minister to, but for you. I just know that's true, and I share that with you, and hope you all have a great week.